If you want to change prices for your LearnPress courses, you can do it manually, but it can become really tedious if you have to do it on dozens or even hundreds of courses. It would be a repetitive process. That's why in this video we want to show you how to bulk edit LearnPress course prices using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. It allows you to apply massive changes to your posts, pages, and custom post types like courses, donations, events, etc. You can also export and import content, and do advanced searches using any field as a search parameter. In the description of this video, you will find the link to download the plugin. You'll also find the link to the written guide. You can change the course prices manually by editing the values in the price column. You can add a different price to each course. Once you've applied the changes, click Save. You can save a lot of time because you don't have to open each course. WP Sheet Editor allows you to manually select the courses you want to edit using the checkbox picker. Now open the bulk editor. Select Price. And we'll set a new price for all the manually selected items. Enter the new price. And execute. If you check the price column, you'll see that all the selected courses have been edited. If you want to edit the prices for all the courses containing a specific keyword on their titles, you just need to open the search tool. Now search for the keyword you want. All the courses with the selected keyword on their titles will be filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. Now open the bulk editor. We'll edit all the filtered courses. Select Price. Set Value. And enter the new price for all the selected courses. Finally, execute. If you now check the course price column, you'll see that all the courses have been edited. Besides filtering your courses by keyword, you can search for them by category. Let's search for all the courses belonging to the arts category to assign a new price to them. Now that the courses were filtered, open the bulk editor. Select Price. Set Value. And enter the new price for all the selected courses. Finally, execute. As you can see, the prices of all the selected courses have been edited correctly. If you want to change a specific price like $15 to $10 in all your courses, just open the bulk edit tool. Now select the price field. Instead of set value, we'll select replace. Enter the old price, in this case it's $15. Now enter the new price, in this case it's $10. Finally, execute. Now all the courses whose price was $15 have been edited and their new price is $10. WP Sheet Editor is a great companion to help you manage your LearnPress courses effectively. Remember that you will find the link to the written guide in the description of the video. Also, you'll find a link to download the plugin in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss any of our tutorials.